Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Our February Take It Make It is going to be heart-shaped hand warmers. You just stick them in the microwave, warm them up, put them in the palm of your hand, in your gloves, in your pocket, and stay warm. The how-to video will be available after the 1st. Our English conversation group meets on Thursday from 2 to 3:30. And remember, it's now in the Glotzbecker room. We're having another Everyone Can Paint program. This is for adults only and is on Saturday, February 3rd from 2:30 to 3:30. They will be meeting in the community room. Teen DIY for Monday, January 29th, will be friendship bracelets. And for Monday, February 5th, they're going to be making balloon bowls. Now, be sure and check out the event calendar on our website for all their regularly scheduled programs. In the children's department now, you want to make sure and come and read to Ella at the Children's Tail Wagging Reads program on Wednesdays from 5 to 6:30. And children's will be having a Chinese New Year celebration on Saturday, February 3rd from 10 to noon. We will have stories, music, games, crafts, and an art show, all celebrating Chinese culture and the Year of the Dragon. Please come join us for the 5th annual Black Children's Book Author and Illustrator panel on Saturday, February 10th at 1 p.m. Enjoy book readings, a children's writing workshop, and book signing. This event is free and open to the public. Registration is required as seating is limited. Just follow the link in the description of this video for registering. Now I want to talk to you about the Books and Brews Book Club. This book club is at the Ozark Beer Company at 109 North Arkansas Street in downtown Rogers from 5:30 to 7 on the first Monday of the month. Now, see our calendar for our next book selection and join us for the discussion. These books are used to make our book club bags that you can check out for 6 weeks so that you have your own book club. Each bag contains 10 copies of the book, discussion questions and topics curated by librarians, a book-themed recipe, and an inventory list to help keep track of all of the items. This is all made possible by a grant from the Friends of the Rogers Public Library. And speaking of Friends of the Rogers Public Library, they're having a 40-book challenge to celebrate their 40 years of supporting the Rogers Public Library. Check out their website for more details. Not only do the Friends have a reading challenge, but we have one too. It's called Rogers Reads. Just go to our Read Squared site, sign up for the adult, teen, or children's programs, and pick one of the 12 mission activities and start reading. So for now, that's it. I hope you all have another couple of wonderful weeks.